Woo! Okay, I'm giving you guys an update here on Sunday, February the 16th. I had to figure out when Valentine's Day was. Oh, happy Valentine's Day, by the way. Oh, 2 days late. But we had some crazy wind last night. I'm talking just really crazy. And then the rain was just going sideways. And then we wake up this morning and the wind is even, it feels like it's even stronger. So I'm just going to give you guys just an update of what it looked like after we came out of the house, and everything's good. We haven't had a wind like that in a long time, and if you live here in Tennessee and you live around trees and it gets windy like that, it's just wow. There's just stuff everywhere. So let's go ahead and check this out. How did it miss my car? Oh, it's open. Yikes. Got a lot of burning in my future here. How did they all miss my car? Unless there is some kind of damage I don't see. Look at that. It fell all around my car. Okay, so this would be the all of the wood that we had some wood here before, but this is our wood pile now. Woo! And we still have some over there to pick up, but got a lot to burn. Okay, guys, hopefully you are safe. Hopefully, those of you here in Tennessee, the flooding from the rain that we had this past weekend was farther up north, near Kentucky, and then definitely north of Nashville and Memphis. We are doing good so far. I mean, we did get a lot of rain, but no flooding like we've seen up in the northern part of the state. So thank you guys so much for checking in this second video of today, but I just had to show you what this wind, this crazy wind did. And what we're gearing up for is some more snow this week. We're supposed to get snow on Wednesday. That should be the 18th. So we'll see how it goes. Wait, 19th? Today's the 16th, 17th, 18th, the 19th. possibly Wednesday night, no, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So I will update you guys on the next video, what happened, how much did we get, and what it looked like. So thank you guys again for checking in with me today, this Sunday. Hopefully it's an amazing Sunday for you, and I'll see you in my next video.